Now the first thing is to get in the box, and that's why I always carry my snips, because they come in handy opening up boxes, and that's just an easy way to do it, see? Then you can open this up. If I get lots to do, I just kind of set them on out here like a little production line. And I've got 3 of them here to do. I want you to see that if an average Joe can do this, of course you can do it. You know? It's not rocket science here to do these. There are a few tricks I'm going to be doing and showing you. There's also some strike plates in here, and I'm gonna replace the strike plates as well, and I'll even show you how to adjust a strike plate. Did you know you can adjust strike plates? Yes, you can. There's a little tab in there, and I'll show you that in a minute. You know, when I get done. So when I get going, I just want to get it done. And see, I keep all this handy open like this, because then on the old ones, I just put the old ones back in here. Okay, so I'll leave those right there and kind of separate all the parts and everything. I don't need the directions because I can do these in my sleep. Okay. Now there's some little parts here. What the heck what are these for? Well, I'll show you that too. You just keep watching. Of course, this is not going to be done all in one video. It's probably going to be a video series. Here's the brand new strike plates, and I would suggest to reinstall new ones because you've got new, even if the old strike plates are working. Here I've got some round little goodies here. I'll show you what those are for later. And I'm just going to kind of use that and open up my bags, get all my stuff situated here. You don't have to work this fast, you know, but sometimes it cracks me up. Some people say, hey Joe, just get on with it. Show us how to do it. Stop explaining stuff. Well, sometimes you need the explanations as well. Okay, now, are we ready to install this? No, not yet. And I'll show you why right now. Well, that's all I got for this time. I'll see you on the next video. It's time to install some door handles.